Hi, myself Dr. Siddharth Desai, and I have successfully completed the 6th Bujutsu Karate Technical Training Seminar under the mentorship of Shihan Sachin Chauhan. I have been training in karate under him since the last 18 years now and attended most of the seminars and training camps, be it here or internationally, on a regular basis. So I would like to share my feedback about the training seminar. So this was our second training seminar after the lockdown and the first training seminar after the second lockdown, offline training seminar. So the importance of training seminars is that just as our phones and laptops, we also need to upgrade ourselves continuously. So these training seminars are nothing but our upgradation. We upgrade our own version by coming together and learning new things, correcting ourselves, correcting our mistakes, fine tuning everything, and coming back to training with a newer version of ourselves. Why it was important for me to attend this seminar personally is to get back into karate because of the lockdowns and the online training. Offline training has been less, and naturally as they say that the karate should be kept as a hot water. So this was again like going over the gas flame for me, and again heating up my karate and getting my interest back into karate, to get back that confidence of training and to meet everyone, train together with everyone under Shihan Sachin Chauhan, directly under his supervision in offline environment. So the things that were basically covered in this seminar are we started with training all our 5 senses, and Shihan taught us a new concept of training with a partner. We came up with a mission of each one teach one. We can involve anyone at home or any of our friends in this training methodology, wherein we use all of our senses and work on mind-body coordination. Then we focused on the KWF methodology of Santen Rikiho Ichi. We trained into the kata, broke down the kata to its basics of compression, expansion, body rotation, and explosion. The basics laid down by Supreme Shihan Mikio Yahara's foundation of KWF Karate, which is based on these 3 methodologies of compression, expansion, body rotation, and generating explosive power using our muscles and joints. So we focused on individual techniques, focused on Kihon, and then we moved on to learning the kata Santen Rikyo Ichi, and everyone in the seminar was confident of doing the kata without any counts on their own at the end of the day, at the end of the seminar. Then we also had lots of interactive sessions wherein the seniors helped the juniors. There was lots of doubt clearing, and we interacted a lot about the philosophical and the spiritual aspects of karate, how to focus on one's strengths rather than focusing on the weaknesses, and how to grow with that approach. The training center was a world-class center with wooden flooring and a wonderful view, and it was at par with the best of the training centers in the world, and the facilities were amazing. The food, the training facilities, the washroom, the water facilities, the social distancing that was followed. So it was a wonderfully conducted seminar, and the venue and the support was also amazing. We also, Shihan introduced a new concept of numbering from 1 to 10. We number our different body parts and different parts of the body where we could focus on while training, and we could self-assess ourselves based on the numbers. Like for example, we number our knuckles, the knee joint, the ankle joint, and it becomes easier for ourselves to assess ourselves, and also becomes easier when we go further in online training to teach and to understand better. So that was a new concept which we have to focus on now. Further, coming to upcoming workshops, I'm always looking forward to seminars, workshops, training, gashukus conducted by Shihan, to upgrade myself, to meet new people, to understand new concepts. Just as even after training since such a long time, this was a new kata to me. I had seen it earlier, but training each and every step, breaking it down, learning it under Shihan, and now when I go and practice it, then it will be in a correct manner, and I could grow from here. So it was a very new learning for me, from which again my interest in karate has increased further, and I'm looking forward to train hard in the coming future, both in regular classes and in the upcoming seminars. I would recommend everyone to not only start training regularly, even new students who watch our videos and even the ex students who are following us to come back to training. It is a lifelong path that we have to follow, and even if you all have quit since 2 years, 5 years, it doesn't make a big difference. You all can always join back, and you all have the fire inside you. It doesn't take a long time to ignite it again. So come back to training, come back to training seminars with us, and let's grow together. And this training seminar, I am definitely inspired for training again and for participating in seminars and participating in further tournaments and upgrading myself. Shihan also has told me it's a big thing coming from him to go for my further belt. I saw the other belt grading examinations for Shodans and other belts, and I was inspired to further grade myself and start training for my further grading. Shihan also motivated me that it's about time that I should further grade myself after my Sandan examination. So I am going to start training now for my further gradings and moving further in my journey of Karate Do. Thank you.